How's it going? Rob here from Retrocycle. I know a lot of you folks are getting ready to go to the auction in Las Vegas for Meekum. And some of you are going to be looking for a vintage bike like this, 1924 Harley-Davidson. Well, look no further. I have it right here. We did all the legwork for you. The engine's been rebuilt, has Carrillo rods, Mold Star valve pockets, the transmission's been redone, sealed transmission, sealed engine. This bike does not leak. Right here we have the original key switch. The relay was bad, so we replaced that and we mounted it to the battery box. It's actually a little more modern. And then we have the fuse box. Now the original fuse box cover is missing, but we do have this cover. And this is a really hard to find part. Below the fuse box, we have the original distributor cap, the original points and breakers, and then we have the original coil, which all still work. Now we kept it in the original finish. And the reason we did that is this bike is very restorable. It came locally, has 80% of the original fasteners and a lot of the really hard to find parts, like this headlight, this horn, which actually works, and this taillight over here. One of the things we did was we redid these brakes right here. So we relined the original brakes, went through all the bearings in the wheel, so that's all good. It still has the clincher rims with the clincher tires. If you're gonna ride this bike any distance, we would recommend going to a drop center rim. But for now, we've ridden the bike and mechanically it's very sound. We also have the original Chevrolet carburetor, which still works. And works good too, by the way. If you're looking for a bike for the Cannonball or a bike to restore, this right here is probably gonna be a better deal than you're gonna find in Las Vegas. And I know from experience, people bought bikes in Las Vegas, brought them to us, and we've actually had to tell them the bad news of what was going on internally. So if you're looking for a 1924 or that vintage, give us a call here at Retrocycle, 973-291-8588. Thanks for watching.